Welcome to Master Spas, makers of the ultimate relaxation machines. Centrally located in Fort Wayne, Indiana, employing over 500 people, Master Spas, one of the largest hot tub and swim spa manufacturers in the world, is proud to build all our products in the United States. Our manufacturing process starts with a flat acrylic sheet put into a thermoforming machine that heats it until it's pliable. Then it's placed over one of our molds, and a vacuum is released, pulling the acrylic down into and taking on the shape of the mold. From there, the shell is then lifted out and transported to the fiberglass area. This is where the hot tub or swim spa gets its structural integrity. Master Spas uses only the finest materials, including vinyl ester resin, which ensures strong adhesion between the acrylic sheet and fiberglass, resulting in a shell that will last for years. Now, the hot tub or swim spa is ready to be plumbed. Our world-class engineering team has designed unique plumbing kits for each hot tub and swim spa to ensure peak performance and long-lasting durability. Although each of our shells is built strong enough to hold water on its own, we have a heavy-duty 2x4 frame that the main equipment gets mounted to, which is then attached to the shell. The hot tub or swim spa is then water tested for proper function, where it is put through a rigorous quality control inspection before it can be approved to move on. The next step is insulating each unit with environmentally friendly and energy-efficient Icynene foam insulation. The hot tub or swim spa is then detailed, packaged, and ready to ship to any one of the over 300 specialty retailers around the globe that sell Master Spa products.